Welcome to Tech Deals Hub, where we find the best tech offers and break down real performance so you can get more for your money. Today, we're taking a close look at the Logitech G915X LIGHTSPEED TKL wireless mechanical gaming keyboard, a premium tankless keyboard built with low-profile GL clicky mechanical switches, LIGHTSPEED wireless tech, and a sleek aircraft-grade aluminum finish. And by the way, I've added a link below where you can check the latest deals and current price. Let's start with the switches, because this is what defines the typing and gaming experience. The G915X uses low-profile GL clicky switches, designed for fast response with a crisp tactile click. These switches actuate faster than traditional mechanical switches, making them great for competitive gaming, while still delivering satisfying feedback for typing and everyday use. The keyboard features double-shot PBT keycaps, which is a big upgrade over standard ABS caps. PBT is more durable, more resistant to shine, and keeps the legends looking clean even after long hours of use. This also gives the keys a more premium texture and long-term durability. One of the biggest highlights here is LIGHTSPEED wireless performance. Logitech rates this keyboard at a 1 millisecond report rate, which means it performs like a wired keyboard in real gameplay. You also get Bluetooth support, so you can switch between gaming on a PC and productivity on another device instantly. Battery life is another strong point. With RGB lighting on, the G915X delivers up to 40 hours of wireless use, and with lighting off, it can stretch much longer. It charges via USB-C, so quick top-ups are easy, and you can even use it while charging. If this breakdown is helping you, hit like so more people can find these deals. Now let's talk layout and design. This is a TKL, tankless, layout, meaning you get more mouse space for gaming while still keeping full function keys. The keyboard is incredibly slim, thanks to the low-profile design, and the brushed aluminum top plate gives it a clean, high-end look that fits perfectly in modern gaming and office setups. The G915X is also fully programmable using Logitech G Hub software. You can remap keys, create macros, sync RGB lighting with games, and store profiles directly on the keyboard. The per-key RGB lighting powered by LightSync allows for deep customization across millions of color combinations. Compatibility is wide as well. This keyboard works seamlessly with Windows and Mac OS, making it a solid option for gamers, creators, and hybrid work-from-home setups. So, is the Logitech G915X LIGHTSPEED TKL worth buying? If you're looking for a premium wireless mechanical keyboard that delivers ultra-fast performance, durable materials, customizable RGB, and a clean tankless design, this is absolutely one of the top options available right now. Thanks for watching Tech Deals Hub. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe for more tech savings, and I'll see you in the next one.